And now that I have shown you the most important pieces under the hood where you can control, manage, plan, and strategize your entire website so you can dominate first page rankings, get a ton of free traffic, and make serious profits with your site, let me show you something exceptional. Introducing P1 Video Magnet Theme. I mean, look at this. This theme makes website look live. It makes website to talk to you when you look at it, which will make your visitors engaged and wanting to click through. And you see instant social proof here in terms of views that comes directly from YouTube, and everything else makes really this website engaging right when you land on the homepage. And there are little details that I will show you now in a moment. When you look, for example, on the page view, there is all these social buttons and everything. And let me just take a moment and show you how powerful this is. So the first thing I want to show you is the real mobile responsiveness. So let me duplicate this tab and let me take it out a little bit so I can demonstrate to you what a mobile responsiveness really means. So what we are going to do now, we are going to shrink the screen like it would be on a mobile device. And what do you look here and what you see right now is a mobile size website. You have the top navigation here, which you will be able to choose on the mobile phone. You have the top social buttons, your logo, the main homepage link right here so you can get to the homepage on the page, the search box here, the video itself automatically updated. You have the social engaging board here where you can build a list or generate leads for your local business, whatever you want. You have these social share buttons, title. Here is the social proof again with the like button and with these buttons as well. And everything else is properly organized. And as you can see, as you scroll down, it gives you recent posts and everything in the widget here. That's what a real mobile responsiveness means. When the actual website that is mobile responsive, it's going to convert and it not looks like crap. And this is what P1 Video Magnet does. Now, the first thing that you are going to see is that we have multi-layout system here. What you can do, you can basically set up different homepage layouts, and we have 3 designs built in here, and you can select any of those. And just to briefly show you here, so if you select the next design, there is a video here and there is a description besides the video. Then another design is where you have the video on the top and then you have the scroller. And in fact, let me just select one of these so you can see how they look on a real website. So now I'm going to open the page again, and that's what you see now. So you can now check this like this. And then if you select, for example, this design and update, then within seconds your website is turned to looking different. And you have these engaging videos again, and they will look on a mobile device as well as they look right here. Then we have the post page layout, and this is something that is super powerful. So you can display the video on the top. Let's say if you are building an affiliate website or some entertainment website like Upworthy or something like that, where you basically filter through a lot of traffic to get clicks to your ads, then you can choose to display video on the top. But at the same time, you can turn video to be shown only in the content area, which is going to make it very easy to turn this website to a local business site or any type of content site. Even more, here you have a total control how your share and subscribe buttons are displayed. You can, for example, display them just below the video, or you can display them below the video and at the bottom of the post or page. The best part is, wherever the video is going to be, the share and subscribe buttons that you see right here, these buttons, they will show up below the video automatically. So let me just show you. If I click on this one, this is where the video is placed inside of the content, and as you can see, the share buttons is just below here, so they can engage your visitors right there below the video. Because obviously the best way how to convert visitors to action takers is by putting something important just where they are, so below the video. So as I mentioned already, you have these social kind of elements right here that generates this impression that this website is huge authority site where there is a lot of people viewing these posts and basically looking at them, and that makes website convert. So we have incorporated the social proof right here. We also have this motion technology, so if you go here, you can see that automatically every single of these videos, and even if we scroll like this, they are talking to the people. As I said in the beginning, they are talking to you when you look at this, right? And they are bright, right? They look amazing, and they all want to be clicked. When people click on this, they go inside of the post and they can see the content and everything else. On top of that, as you can see right now, we have this pop-up technology built inside of the P1 Video Magnet theme. So you don't need to buy a bunch of different other plugins that can do that, but you can absolutely configure everything you want to see on this. And we have also the exit overlay plugin that shows posts that are the most important on your site, so you can basically get people to engage and browse more of your website pages. And you can direct people from across your entire website, regardless whether you have 500 pages or 1,000 pages, you can direct them to the most important posts or pages on your site. So now let me show you inside how you can configure what shows up here and how you can configure all of the pop-ups. So basically we have three types of pop-ups built inside here. We have the newsletter opt-in pop-up, which basically you saw in the beginning, and you can just add any autoresponder code right here. You can select any type of background you want. You can customize it however you want. You can add any type of call to action right here, and what you see is what you get editor, and basically get it going. The other one is subscribe to social sites. Basically, this is where you engage people to join your community, so you can build more likes on your Facebook pages or more followers on Twitter and so on and so forth. And the third one is don't miss these posts overlay, which you saw when we tried to exit the site, and this is very, very powerful. You can essentially set it up as a random post if you want to, most popular posts across the site or most popular posts from the same category, which means that if somebody exits from category video marketing, they will see other posts related to video marketing. So it's very, very smart technology. Or you can also select specific pages on your site. So you select the page, I want to see video marketing here, I want to see, for example, video SEO, and here I want to see posts from uncategorized category, and I can select which post I want to see. And that's exactly what's going to show up when people will try to exit your site. And that's how you can literally drive people from across your website to the most important pages or posts on your site. On top of that, we have all the social icons. As you saw here, we have here the top icons that you can enable and disable however you want. We have the social share buttons here, which again you can enable and disable however you want, and they show up either just below the video or just below the video, plus at the bottom of the post. So basically we have built inside those social icons so they show up where people are looking at the most based on the results and the studies that has been done online. And there is just much more in this. There is basically, you can just click these buttons and enable and disable it. Also, you can set up a sharing system where when after people share posts, let's say on Facebook, they get a specific pop-up to opt into your email list. And that's a psychological trigger that will help you to increase conversions and not just get and build your community bigger, but also build your email list, which is probably the most important asset you have. On top of that, we have the money module where you can literally just check these boxes and add any kind of embed code you want, whatever you want, literally any HTML, banners, whatever, AdSense, whatever contextual ads. You can even add the opt-in form to show up on the sidebar if you want to. And then you just click Save Changes, and when you go back to the website and when you refresh the page, you will instantly see these banners showing up because now I had the banners added. So one banner is showing up here at the bottom, another one here at the top, and then one on the sidebar. And of course, everything for P1 Video Magnet is configurable just as you want. But the most important thing is that it comes with incredible default configuration, so you literally can get it up and running in seconds. You don't need to go through all of these theme styles or whatnot in order just to set up your site. You literally can install it, activate it, and boom, you have a website that literally looks like this.